Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Exercise 1. Correct answer, B. She likes apples. Exercise 2. Correct answer, C. They play soccer after class. Exercise 3. Correct answer, C. He watches TV in the evening. Exercise 4. Correct answer, C. We study English every Monday. Exercise 5. Correct answer, D. The sun rises in the east. Exercise 6. Correct answer, C. My mother cooks delicious food. Exercise 7. Correct answer, A. I read the newspaper every morning. Exercise 8. Correct answer, B. You walk to school every day. Exercise 9. Correct answer, C. The train arrives at 8 a.m. Exercise 10. Correct answer, C. He lives in Phnom Penh. Exercise 11. Correct answer, B. It rains a lot in September. Exercise 12. Correct answer, B. The shop closes at 9 p.m. Exercise 13. Correct answer, B. My friend speaks 3 languages. Exercise 14. Correct answer, B. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Exercise 15. Correct answer, D. Her brother drives to work. Exercise 16. Correct answer, B. We like watching movies. Exercise 17. Correct answer, A. The teacher teaches math. Exercise 18. Correct answer, B. You need a ticket to enter. Exercise 19. Correct answer, C. I go to school every day. Exercise 20. Correct answer, B. The baby cries every morning. Exercise 21. Correct answer, C. My uncle works in a factory. Exercise 22. Correct answer, B. They visit their grandparents on weekends. Exercise 23. Correct answer, B. Anna listens to music after dinner. Exercise 24. Correct answer, C. The dog barks at strangers. Exercise 25. Correct answer, B. My parents watch the news every night. Exercise 26. Correct answer, C. He fixes his bike on Sundays. Exercise 27. Correct answer, C. We eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Exercise 28. Correct answer, A. She opens the window every morning. Exercise 29. Correct answer, A. The bird sings in the tree. Exercise 30. Correct answer, C. Tom and Jerry run around the house.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.